everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and tell his story. Sharp Painting. This story is about Rudolph, a reindeer that, unlike other reindeer, had a big and red nose. That's why everyone made fun of him. One day, Rudolph went to Santa Claus and asked to leave him a job. But he was still too young for that. When the others there heard this, they mocked him and said, "If the children see your rabbit, they will scream." Rudolph turned his nose up shyly and returned home. There was 1 hour left for Santa Claus to leave. There was a big storm and the sky became dark. Santa Claus was afraid that he would not be able to deliver Christmas gift to the children in the bad weather. Suddenly, he remembered Rudolph's big red nose and asked him for help to do the work. Rudolph was very happy to help Santa Claus. Little but brave Rudolph. There were carried away by the strong wind and thick fog, and the other deer did their best to fly faster as a team. By sunrise, Santa Claus had delivered the gifts of all the children of the world. Santa Claus gave Rudolph a Medal of Honor for his bravery. He was the youngest and bravest reindeer to ever join Santa's sleigh team. From then on, everyone loved Rudolph and didn't make fun of him anymore. Today, our story is over. Have you heard the story of Rudolph the Red-Nosed? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So, today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.